My name is Tim Arsenault, and I am the Tree EO of Bonsai Bar. Exito helped me figure out what success was going to look like, map out to see if Bonsai Bar could be a successful business, and when we figured out how to do it, they helped me write down the plan and held me accountable to make it happen, to continue to grow the business and make it into something real. We had a really extensive process of looking at different marketing agencies. There was a lot of big fancy marketing companies in Providence and Boston that we had met with, but out of everybody that we talked to, I didn't feel like anybody cared about our business the way that Exito did. Just in the opening interviews, we were already talking about ways to increase our revenue, ways to grow the business, our vision and plan for that. Exito's growth program has helped us to really clarify the most important things to grow as a company. I have these grandiose plans for where we want to be and where we want to end up. And Exito has really been able to help us break those larger dreams down and those larger goals down into to bite-sized plans. Like, what are the first 90 days of that going to look like? And all of a sudden it seems so much more achievable. Exito has helped us to, really kind of take off as a company in a way that I didn't think was possible. We're making more now in a week than we were making in entire months last year. So they've been absolutely our best relationship as a company so far.